The drama is all here as Briana brings up the defamation lawsuit filed by Kailyn and Ashley's secret wedding appears to be doomed. The teaser for the latest edition of Teen Mom 2 just dropped and, well, fans definitely won't be disappointed. The intense, 30-second clip posted to the show's Instagram on Wednesday, February 16, brings all the extra drama the long-running MTV franchise became famous for, including cast members breaking down in tears. This time, Jade Cline gets an emotional close-up for the series promotion. Sean had to go to rehab, Jade says of her baby daddy, as cameras catch him walking out the door headed for his second stint in a treatment facility. "My life has definitely been harder," she added, fighting through tears. As fans will know, Jade previously revealed on Teen Mom Family Reunion that Sean, who shares 4-year-old daughter Chloe with Jade, checked himself into rehab. "My kid's dad is in the same rehab facility, I guess, that one of his family members went to," Jade told her castmates in the season premiere of the spin-off. "He's been there for about a month and a half and he comes back in like 2.5 months." She added, "I feel like he's been depressed for a really long time and lacking a lot of self-confidence and having a lot of issues that he's finally working through." Related gallery. Kailyn Lowry's family, see photos of the Teen Mom 2 star and her kids. Meanwhile, Briana de Jesus, Kailyn Lowry, Leah Messer and Ashley Jones deal with life's challenges as they continue to navigate parenting, careers and love lives in the teaser clip. Briana brings up the lawsuit filed against her by co-star Kailyn, who claims Briana defamed her when Briana accused Kailyn of beating her baby daddy. Leah seems excited about a romantic prospect as she gushes about a new man on her radar. "There's a guy I met, he seems pretty cool," she says coyly. But for Ashley, marriage life seems to be causing trouble after she secretly wed her beau Bar. "Our marriage is falling apart," Bar exclaims, as Ashley avoids the conversation. Catch all the drama on Teen Mom 2 when it premieres March 8 at 8 p.m. on MTV.